IY equals the integral of IQ. It's just one of the steps. I can't explain why. How many of you understand 10-1, which is just get all the x's on one side, all the y's on the other side? How many of you understand 10-2, which is the integrating factor? That's not very many. Okay, we're going to do...
Where did you choose IY from?
Where did I choose it from? It's a formula.
Well, I know, but...
I is x.
Like xy equals the next step after IY?
This is I, that is y. This is I, that is q. This is just a formula.
She solved for I.
Are you with me? Okay. Alright. You guys ready for some tricksiness?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to do 10-4 right now when you're still semi-awake, and then spend the rest of the time doing 10-1, 10-2, just throwing problems at you, and you have to figure out if it's separable or integrating factor. Does that sound like a plan? Yes. Yes.
So you know that
Right.
Yes.
where does that number come from?
You can't divide by x if if it could equal 0. If it equals a number, what are you talking about? They will never do that. This is law USC. Okay. I need you guys to pay attention and focus again. Last question before I go on.
What would the wording be of a 10.1, 10.2 question?
Solve. I know. So much fun, right? Let's do, I want to do a money problem, and I want to do a solve problem, and then I want to do 10-1, 10-2. Is that cool? Okay, first of all, this is the money equation that you should memorize. They don't give you a money equation on your formula sheet anyways, so if you have to memorize a formula, memorize one that makes it algebra instead of calculus. Right? A equals P plus D over R e to the RT minus D over R. A equals the amount of money. I can spell sometimes. P equals your principal or your initial deposit. D equals your yearly deposit. And R equals your interest rate. Hopefully you can figure out that T is time. Okay. Oh, that's that one. This is solid. You need to know that dy dt equals rate in times concentration in minus rate out times. Oh, you will not find these anywhere else. I made them up. Oh, I lied. Stacy has some. Go, Stacy. Yes. Talk loud.
For the money problem, is that only for a continuously compounded problem?
I can't actually hear you.
Is it only for continuously compounded?
Yeah, those are the only kind of money problems you'll ever see in this class.
You lift it up.
Yeah, in a second. I gotta finish writing this one.
Hey Michelle, you want to, what was the way you memorized that?
Oh yeah, I'll show you.
Dr. Pepper.
Okay. First of all, Ri equals rate out. Ci equal, actually I'm going to do RO first. RO equals rate in. I'm sorry. Rate in.
Oh, it scared me.
Rate out. Ci equals concentration in. VO equals initial volume. Y equals amount of salt. And T equals time. You don't plug these in until after you integrate. Okay, how I remember this one? Dr. Pepper made me burp. I had to go see the bad doctor. Dr. Pepper made me burp. Right? Burp. had to go see the bad doctor.
Bad doctor?
Negative.
So for sake of your storyline, could you just change it in the parentheses to dr plus p? There you go.
Dr. Pepper made me burp, had to go see the bad doctor.
Perfect.
Okay? This, all I did is I took that equation that they gave you in your book and I solved it algebraically to figure out what the constant is, and the constant comes out to be this. Okay? P is whatever the principal is or whatever you invested initially. It's your initial deposit. This works for all of the money things. I've never seen a money problem that doesn't work for it. If it's continual withdrawals, I don't know how to say that word. Withdrawals? Whatever. Continually taking money out, you just put in a negative D. So this would become negative and this would become positive. But I've never seen that on the test. Okay. Let us do one money problem, 2 salt problems, and spend the rest of the time on 10-1 and 10-2. How you guys feeling about that? Rocking that?
Get the salt first.
Salt first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are taking me not to do
I always
Give me a number 1 to 150. Remember, you're going to have to work with this number.
28. 75. 2.
Let me say that again. 75 to 150. 80.
100.
100. Do you guys want the tank to have just pure water, or do you want it to have salt in it? Pick a number 1 to 5.
4.
5 pounds. I'm just making this up off the top of my head. That's what I'm having you say numbers. To the tank at a rate. Let's go 3. These at a rate of 100 gallons of water, 30 pounds of salt, brine solution 5 pounds per gallon, 3 gallons per minute, leaves at a rate of, let's go 2. This is the hardest kind. 2 gallons per minute. Find how much salt is in the tank after 1.5 hours. Okay, let me clarify a few things.
That is very complex.
You can handle it.